Hi everyone, my name is Andrew Tai and I have the honor of representing our group Float during the Senior Design Showcase for the Civil and Environmental Engineering Department. So before I get into anything, I should probably introduce to you each member of our group. So we have me, Yusuf Gaby, Karen Ranieri, and Ashley Pelham. So we've been working on this project for the past semester and we can't wait to really show you guys what we've been up to for this past semester. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it.
All right, so we have partnered with Alan Foster at Soleo Water in Panama to redesign a water intake system for the Vista Alegre community along the Tuyora River. Currently, the system has had lots of problems with a lack of filtration, maintenance, and some high sediment loadings throughout the year. With all these problems in mind, we have determined that we need to address this problem by applying principles from multiple engineering disciplines. So, those disciplines include mechanical, water resources, structural, electrical, and geotechnical engineering. For mechanical, we needed to develop an anchoring and flotation component to the system. For water resources, we are dealing with a pump and filtration, and then we are also designing based off of certain flows and water depths. For structural, we need the structural integrity of the system while it floats. And then for electrical, we had to consider the powering of the pump and implement some microcontrollers with turbidity or ultrasonic sensors to record and display data when some things go wrong with the river. And then finally, we have geotechnical engineering, as the anchoring will have to be mounted or connected to the soil on the shores.
So, with all these problems, I think that this project has been a really good eye opener for each of us in the group. Since this is an international project, our group had to adapt to a lot of the changes between the differences of designing here in the US and designing in Panama, especially in rural Panama. And also, there's a big communications hurdle that we had to overcome too. But as a group, we did have to shift our mindsets early on in the semester, which did prove a challenge. But overall, I think that it really helped us adopt a new mindset of how important this project is, because this has the potential to be applied to a lot of other communities across the same river in Panama. In fact, one of the NAE Grant Challenges encourages us to work toward providing more accessible and more efficient water infrastructure. So, with the nature of this project, I think that we've been finally able to apply the skills that we've learned over the past 4 years in college and combine them with a humanitarian project and attitude. And because of this, I think the group has kind of been inspired in a way so that we can make a design and final product that really can be the best that it can be. So, with everything that I said, thank you guys so much for coming to this showcase and thank you for your time. And if you guys have any questions or comments about the designs or anything else, please let us know. Thank you.